Hello friends and welcome back to GoodGrades Mathematics Online Classes for Class 10 BOSEM Previous Year Questions Discussion. We'll continue with coordinate geometry session number 7. Okay, session number 7 that we'll discuss some new topics about collinearity. And the COVID-19 syllabus kakthawada sigi collinearity conditions so this would be irrelevant for the upcoming board examination, but for students who are going to appear for next year it is a relevant topic and a very easy one to score. Okay, so let us begin. So question question point okay, the question has given us 3 points. Coordinate if the points A0, 2, 3 and 0, 2 are collinear, karigumba point ahumsi collinear oitardi, what is the value of A? A value is 1 ra, minus 1 ra, minus 4 ra, 4 ra. So see question 1 marker 2010 da hungry. Okay, so before we continue with the question, let us first try and understand what collinear means. Collinear is a karino is a habit yings. Okay. Collinear hybrid karigumba the point ahum lere. Okay, let us the point ahum lere. Let us look into this. ABC ko point ahum lere. Karigumba point ahum ze line amagi manung lere. Line amata the tar straight line amakata. Okay, adu itar di point ahum zibu collinear and high. Okay, point ahum zi collinear na hai gantare ko adu itar di collinear oi basiga area of a triangle ge concept is collinearity yeng si kamai yeng have link to ko. Okay, so let us take a triangle amalor si A B C vertex ahum le triangle si triangle sigi vertex ahumzi, if we join all the vertex, then it becomes a triangle. Sida is the yengba observe toningai oriba point karino hybrid A ga B ga C ga se point A B C are not collinear. Collinear oide. Natra moise line amata da tate. Line amatada tadrabanina they can form a triangle amma same bayaya. But in case of this ABC sigi collinear oriba ABC di moi di line amakata da tai aduna moi triangle form toba yate. Jantare ko, let me repeat once again. Triangle form togdoisi non collinear points katanani. Okay, karigumba collinear oitardi they would not be able to form a triangle. Natra sigi concept say how do we use it with area of a triangle? Adu di yang sideda. Sigi is area ama form tawre triangle amagi. Triangle ama form tawramnina area of a triangle C not equal to 0. Natra triangle ama form tawrani. Triangle ama form tawrabanina it is bound to have certain area, but in this case karigumba collinear or the moisi triangle form tawbungamde triangle form tawbungamdamnina moigi area se hotorokpa matamda their area will always be equal to 0. Gantane ko adu oibatardi sigi question ji kamaina attempt tawni haibada aikoina vertex ahumji piramiba point ahumji lorani aduga moigi area je puthoni moigi area ji equal to 0 tarani. Okay, equal to 0 taru matungda aikoigi unknown variable a value ji tholani. Okay, so let us continue. Let's see how we can solve this. Adu ita de aikoina question in pyramid ji x1 ji kya no a natra y1 0 x2 2 y2 3 x3 0 y3 is 2. Although you will have area excuse me, area is equal to half. Natra I couldn't season give key 1 2 and 3. anti-clockwise chapida. So we have x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Yan tayo niko. Now, values is substitute. So we'll substitute the values. We'll have half. Okay. x1 is a. y2 minus y3 is 3 minus 2 plus x2 is 2. y3 minus y1 is 2 minus 0 plus x3 is 0. y1 is 0 minus 3. Okay, let's continue solving. Half a into 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 0. Half a plus 4 have expression. Question jina kai piram me point ahum ji collinear o and piram nina area ji kya oirani 0 oirani 0 oirabani na aikoina kari tawba yare. Now aikoina piram iba half aikoina phangiba a plus 4 hariba area ji 0 ga equate tawba yare. 0 ga equate tawba matamda we will have 0 into 2 and a is equal to 0 minus 4, which is minus 4. Answer is minus 4. Minus 4. If we go up, we'll check option number C is our answer. Okay, so collinearity condition je combine season ani area of triangle ga haiba matamda karigumba points collinear oiraba, their areas would be 0, and if they are not collinear, they will form a triangle and they will have an area which is not equal to 0. See, concept se khatne ko season dois. Okay, so this is session number 7. I hope you guys had a great learning experience, and thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next session.